Hello, hello. Okay, cool. Hello, guys. This is Siddharth, Head of Events Management and MIT App Inventor Mentor at GIS Tech Club. And I'll be showing you how to make a project submission on DevPost since a lot of you guys seem to have trouble with it. So, yeah, let me show you how to do it. So, I'm assuming a lot of you have already made accounts on DevPost, but in case you haven't, this is how you do it. So, you go click on the sign up button and you can use one of these four. You can sign up with GitHub, Facebook, Google, or whatnot, but it's highly recommended against that and sign up with your email instead. So that's what we are going to be doing. And okay, you enter your details over here, your first name, last name, and your email address. I'm going to be using a temporary email address because I've already made an account on DevPost, but you guys should use your actual email address because this is how the hackathon group will be contacting you through your email, and you wouldn't want that to go to temporary email address. So yeah, use your actual email address and then you choose a password, do the captcha, make sure you're not a robot. Looks like I am a robot. Okay, let me try this again. Okay, cool. Now, once you're done with that, just click on the sign up with email button. And okay, you should be getting an email saying please confirm your email address in your inbox. So let me go check for that. Okay, I did get it. And okay, so the email is going to be having a button saying verify my email. You want to click that. And okay, now look, it's going to say your account was successfully confirmed. So, yeah, that is about how to make an account. Now, let me show you how to actually submit your project to the hackathon. Okay, now that this is done, let me just close this tab and go back to dev. Okay. Now that your account's made, you can go on to login and use your email and password to log in. And okay, this is basically your profile, so what you're interested in. And yeah, you can just make it whatever you want. I'm gonna make it this. I'm a backend, front end. I'll be a backend developer and skills. I'm just gonna put in random stuff for now. And this is what your interests are. So you don't have to make it the way I'm making it. You can just make it whatever you're interested in. So if you're interested in my bad, augmented reality or virtual reality, you can go and check that. If you're interested in gaming, you can check that. If you're interested in mobile, you can check that. Machine learning, music, web, whatever your interests are. And over here, you go for your location, which is in our case, Singapore. And occupation is student, high school. If you're in sixth, seventh, eighth, you're probably going to check middle school, but yeah. And then for the school, it's school. Yeah. Don't worry about this prompt, it doesn't matter. And graduation year for me, it's going to be December, April 2022. And my birth date is December 2000. And once you're done with your profile, click continue and you'll be taken to the DevPost homepage with all hackathons available here. So to submit to the GIS hackathon, you want to go to search for hackathon and search GIS hackathon, aka the best hackathon ever. And okay, this is going to pop up the first one, which says about 7 hours left. So you're going to click on that. And yeah, over here, this is basically the hackathon that we are organizing. We and the judge Ayush Garg, the president. And yeah, okay. Here you want to click on join hackathon and fill up all of these. So if you're working solo, you can click on this. If you already have a team, you can do this. I'm going solo. I'm pretending to go solo, so I'm going to do that. And who told you about GS hackathon? GS. Well, via you just go and click website. This stuff really doesn't matter, so don't take too much time over here. And these are basically the legal stuff. Just check those both and register. Okay, now that you've registered for the hackathon, you can you're sent to this page where it says create a project and start a project to begin your submission and invite teammates. So if you do have teammates, you can invite them from here, find teammates, enter their username on DevPost and invite them, and then make your project. So, okay. Now let me show you how to actually create the project and submit and stuff. So you go to create project, and then you go to the general info, project name, my case, test. And this is the pitch. So a pitch is basically a short tagline for the project. So keep it concise. It's basically a short paragraph that explains what your project is. So yeah, keep it concise because you only have 200 characters and the judges wouldn't really want to read a whole essay on your project. So keep it short and concise. I'm just going to steal one of the president's old pitches. So yeah, let me just do that. Okay, I'm just going to use random paragraphs over here. So these are characters, by the way. These are not words. So characters basically one letter slash space slash comma or whatever. So yeah, exactly. You have to keep it really concise. Okay, now that you're done with this, you can go click save and continue. And about the project story, so basically inspiration, what it does, how we build it. Don't change these. Don't change the things in the hashtag. Just you can write whatever you want after the hashtag inspiration or hashtag what it does. So yeah, I'm just gonna steal more stuff again from President Ayush. I'm just gonna end it over here to make it quick, but you basically have to fill in your story about how you made the project over here. So yeah, and after that build with, this is where you're gonna be entering in the coding platform that you've used. So in case of web automation, you're going to be using Python, HTML, CSS, JS, and all that. So I'm just going to use Python over here. And this is optional. You don't really have to do, okay, no, you have to do this, my bad. Over here, you're going to be adding the link to your GitHub repo. So yeah, a GitHub repo is basically where you're going to be uploading your project files. And yeah, I'm just going to steal more of Ayush's code over here. And yeah, this is mandatory for us. We are going to need this to see what project you've made. So make sure you have that. And the project media is optional over here. You don't really have to put it. But the YouTube, video demo link, this is mandatory. This is going to be your video where you basically explain your project and show us the screens or what it does and whatnot. I'm just going to take a YouTube link and paste it over here. And yeah, that's it for this page. Now you click save and continue. And for additional info, this is not required again. If you have it, it's recommended to submit, but it's not really required. So you can just click save and continue here. And that is it. This is going to be your final step, submission. So right now you still have 7 hours. So even if you're done with the project, just keep on proofreading and make improvements to it. But if you are completely done, you can submit the project over here, have the checkbox and click submit, and you're basically done. So this is your YouTube video, your pitch video. And then this is the story that we've written. And I haven't filled all of these, but you guys should fill all of these. And this is the link to the GitHub repo. So basically your code files. And yeah, that's about it on how to submit your project on DevPost. If you have any other doubts, you can always contact your mentors or one of the core team members to help you out. And we'll be there to help you at the soonest. So yeah, thank you guys.